Hello everyone and good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning Arun. Good morning
Good
Nishok.
morning.
Good morning Sagar and good morning everyone. And welcome to the day 9 of the batch 36. But it's a day 1 for the AWS. Because so day 9, yes, it's a day 9. Okay. Our batch has been started on 20th of August. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And from that 20th
Yes,
August,
sir.
we are learning every day. What we are learning, the details are available into this syllabus. As soon as you will come into this place, okay, as soon as you will click here, this all things, whatever is mentioned, we are learning from the day 1. Guys, are you agree? Whatever things are written into the green, we have completed everything.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. And day 8, yesterday we have already did the workshop kind of thing. Okay. And some discussions. Okay. Some students has presented very well also. Nagaraj, thank you. And I forgot the name of the one more person. He presented lot of things. Okay. That's really good. Okay. It will be extra learning. And I will encourage you to prepare some 1 or 2 extra point related to Linux. Okay. And present after the class. Is that okay? Deal between you and me? So that our learning will always increase. Okay.
Yes, sir. Will.
Cool. Thank you. I'm making this part also as a green. And as the agenda is very clear, today we have to start the AWS. Okay. And we have already created the AWS account. Okay. I can see from the WhatsApp group, lot of students. Okay. Who is this person? Akatu has already created the AWS account. Well and good. Okay. And I can see lot of other students has already created. Okay. This person also created, Sagar also created, Venkatesh created, and we have already created the AWS account in the yesterday's session. Okay. The recording video, if you missed it by any reason, no need to worry. The recording is already available into the LMS system. Where exactly it is? If you will ask, before that only I will tell. Okay. Where exactly it is. As soon as you will come to the website www.clouddevops.com, you will come into this place, join current batch 36. As soon as you will come here, you will be landed into this page. Okay. In this page, if you are a registered member, you will get a continue option. If you are not a registered member, you will get a buy option of the 0 rupees. You can click on the buy. As soon as you will click on the buy, you will be landed into the LMS system. And in the LMS system, you will see the course. And in this course, this is the course where the videos are available. All the PPTs videos of from the day 1 is available here. You can see here day 1 PPT is available here. Okay. Day 1 video is available here. Like that day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay. Weekend learning, module 2, the Linux 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the videos, PPTs are available here. Plus, we are giving some Python for DevOps free course. If you want to refer, you can refer it also. And the AWS account creation video is available here, which we have created in the yesterday's session. And where exactly in the module 3, it is available into this place. Right? It's a 17-minute video where Preeti has created the account. Correct? Everyone clear? Very clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes.
Right? Very clear, right? You don't have to worry that where is the recording and all this thing. Now, from today onwards, all the recording will come into this place. Okay, means in the module 3, all the module AWS related recordings will come into this tab. Okay, the module 3 AWS, and all the recording will come into this place. PPTs also will come into this tab only. Cool. Thank you. Now, let's come here. AWS overview. Let's come. Let's take the overview of AWS and then we will deep dive into the AWS as well. First thing first, what is AWS? Go ahead. Please let me know. What is AWS? Answer.
Cloud service provider.
Cloud provider, cloud service provider. Very good. What else? We are here for learning AWS and I need an answer from you guys. Yes. What is AWS? Go ahead.
Service platform.
Service provider. Okay. Cloud computing service provider. Okay. What else?
Provide server services and
Servers,
resources in the cloud.
services, databases, serverless computing service. Okay. EC2 machines. Okay. What else? Repeating answers only. Guys, answer. Better answer. If you will give this answer into the interview, no one will give you 5 lakh package job. Yep.
It's a cloud service.
People will not give 5 lakh package also if you will give
Yeah,
this
AWS
answer.
is a cloud computing platform where it offers compute services, serverless services,
But
on-demand services.
Correct. Okay. On-demand cloud computing services and resources we can use on their platform. That is a AWS. Very high level answer, very simple definition answer. Okay. Chalo, let me explain. It's a subsidiary of the company Amazon. Okay. Means Amazon is an organization who created one service that is called Amazon Web Services. Means you can access the Amazon with the help of internet. Okay. Or you can use the Amazon services with the help of internet, that is called Amazon Web Services. Okay. It provides on demand as per your requirement cloud computing resources and services. It provide on their platform. Means we have to use their platform to use this service. Which service? Servers, services, resources on the cloud. Okay. The URL of AWS, guys, keep remember. Okay. Some people in the interview, they've asked what is the URL of AWS, and some people given the wrong answer also. Okay. Please remember aws.amazon.com is the URL. If you will click on this URL, you will be landed into the AWS. If you are not able to remember it, keep the bookmark, please. Okay. Now, AWS has a revolution over the time. AWS is revolution. What do you mean by revolution? English meaning of revolution? English meaning. English meaning. Changes. Okay. Nishu Patel has told changes. Good. What else?
Bringing something new every time.
Correct. Yes, it's a revolution. AWS is providing as a revolution over the time. Do you guys know when the AWS platform, let me show you the platform. I'm talking about this platform. Okay. I'm talking about this URL. Okay. Where we have already created the account. I'm opening my AWS account. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. This is my browser. Okay. And I'm going into this URL. Okay. As soon as I will go into this URL, okay, this is the home page of AWS is coming. Okay, and you have to click on the sign in. If you already created the account, we have to click on the sign in. And someone has asked the question here. Okay, who is that? Preeti has asked the question. Okay, what is the question?
Yes.
What is the question? Question here. Where I have to put my username and IAM username. Preeti, at this point, we haven't created the IAM user, correct? You are the root user. Are you agree?
Yeah.
So you don't have to go to the
Yes.
IAM user. Okay. There is a last option came here, root account. You have to log in with the root account, as Shubha has given the very good answer. Right. That's why we created this group. Right. If any problem is happening,
Yes.
the solution is coming immediately. Okay. Very good, Shubh. Appreciated. Okay. Help each other, please. Okay. And you have to click on the root user and you will able to log in. Cool. Nice. Okay. Thank you. Now, I'm using the IAM user at this point. Okay. I will create. Okay. Because sir, why we are using the IAM user? Okay. I will teach you on the tomorrow class. Okay. Because if you will join any of the company, do you feel that you will get a root user?
No, sir, no.
No,
No,
right?
no.
If you will join the company, you will not get a root user. At this point, you are the owner of the account. That's why you are using as a root user. But as soon as we will join any of the MNC, any of the company, we will get a IAM user and I will teach you accordingly. Okay. Because I want to teach you the same thing which you have to use into the organization or into the company. Okay. So at this point, you can, for one more day, you can use for the root user. And after that, we will create a IAM user and I'm logging into that. As soon as I will log in, this is the home page of the AWS or landing page of the or console of the AWS. Now I have a very simple question, guys. How many years old this console is? Can you give me the answer? 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years. How much old this console is? Write into the chat box. Everyone. Everyone write into the chat box, please. Anything, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Arun is telling 12 years, Dharmendra is telling 20 years. What about others?
Around 18, I guess.
Write it into the chat box. Let's assume this is one of the simple interview question. Okay. Or interviewer was not interested to ask the question, but he is asking simple discussions. Okay. Cool. Some people are telling 25, some people are 15, 10. Okay. Cool. Okay. Guys, this is around 22 years old platform. Okay. This service means this home page or this landing page or this console of AWS is 22-year-old. Okay. It has been launched into 2002. Okay. The very first time it came or it launched in 2002. Okay. Cool. Now, revolution over the time means that time he launched with 1 service, 2 service, 5 service. And at this point, can you guess it? How much services are available in AWS? How many
200
services?
plus services.
200 plus, right? Are you agree? Everyone agree? I'm also agree. Yes, 200 plus services are available into the AWS. Free to join. You can join this AWS account, or we can create this account free of cost. Okay, it will just charge you 1 rupees and the account will be get created for you, and 1 rupee will also be refunded for you within 1 or 2 days. Okay. AWS has collection of remote computing services, web servers, platform it offer over the internet by the Amazon.com. Okay. Now, we have already created the AWS account, so I'm not going to discuss, but I would like you to discuss that what all things are free. Okay, so you have to spend, guys, as I'm telling again and again. Yesterday also I told, okay, you have to go into this page and just spend 5 minutes of time. At least you will be aware about lot of things. What all compute services are available, what is database, what is storage, what is containers, what is web applications, serverless, machine learning, because these are the categories which are the high level categories, and in the compute these all services are coming, means 4 services are coming in, 5 services are coming into the compute category. Okay, everyone knows what is database. Okay, but what all services are coming into the database category? If you will see, 9 or more than 9 services are coming into the database category. Some are storage service. These all things are coming into the storage category. Just spend 10 minutes. Is that okay? After the class, are you able to spend 10 minutes on this page?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, no need to remember, but at least read the names. Okay, what is storage? Try to understand. Okay, I will teach you everything, no need to worry, but I cannot teach everything in 1 day. Okay, I need your 2 weeks of time to teach all these things. Okay, but you can spend little bit of time so that it will be extra learning for you. Good. Now, what exactly the AWS is? It's a subsidiary of Amazon, where servers, services, resources can be created as per the demand. Remote computing services, it is not available with me right away. Okay, it is available into the remote locations, right? What are these things? These are the different data
Yes.
centers, right? These are the different data centers of the
Yes, sir.
AWS. Within a 1 click, I can connect to any of the different data centers as well. I am connected with the Mumbai data center. I can click on 1 click and I connected to the Virginia data center. Okay, so over the world there are different data centers are available. With the help of this link, with the help of this option, we can change as per our requirement. Okay, cool. Free access. Yes, this AWS account is free of cost for the 1 year. Utilize it for the learning purpose. Okay, if you will not use, it will be expired. Please utilize it. Okay, cool. Automate and manage services. Lot of automation and managed services are available here. How come we can able to see all the services? There is a tab here, services, and you will able to see all the services are here. Okay, whatever is your project, whatever is your domain, okay, try to explore that also. Okay, because I feel that sometimes people work for 5 years, 10 years, but they are not expert into their domain. So please try to understand or try to explore in your domain as well. Okay, cool. Okay, so what I would like to say that all the services names are here. If you will click here, all services names will be visible here. No need to learn all the services. Whatever I am teaching, that is the most important services. We have to use it. Okay. Now,
Sure, sir.
okay, account creation. We have already created the account. Only valid ID, international credit card is required, and 1 year free account. You will get it from the AWS. Okay, trick we have used. We have provided that yesterday's date as a account name. Okay, so that we don't have to forget that when we have created this account, because sometimes students forgot that when we have created this account, from the batch they will remember that. But we are creating the alias name itself directly, so that you don't have to worry that what is the name of the account or when we have to expire it. Automatically on the name we will get to. Okay, and whoever missed it, recording is available. Just message me, I will give you the link also if you want. Otherwise, already recording is available into the LMS system. Okay, now history of the AWS, the platform which we are seeing at this point. Okay, the platform which we are seeing, the home page, okay, or the console which we are seeing at this point. This console has been launched in 2002. After that, in the 2003, some new plans and formulated things came. Okay, in 2004, the very first service came is SQS. Anyone heard about this service name? SQS.
Simple queue service.
Correct. Very
Yeah.
good. What is that? What is the use of this service?
For message queuing.
For messaging and queue.
Correct. Correct. Yes. Correct. Better answer. Let assume that you are sitting into the interview and giving the answer. Yes. Better answer? Answer fast.
Suppose in any application means you have to push any updates to the users or to any other.
Give the real example, real-time example. Anyone? Real-time use case or real-time example? Chalo, no, then let me. Okay, it's a queue service. Let's assume I have to send 1,000 messages or 1,000 emails to any of the different users. Okay, if I will send all the 1,000 emails at one shot, there may be chances it will become a spam. Correct? Yes or no? Are you agree? Right? So what will happen? It will distribute the thing into the small queues, send the messages into the 50-50 bucket or into the duration of 1 minute. That's it. This is the real-time example for SQS. In the companies, how we are using it, let us assume you have a 10 TB of data you want to process it. If you will set all the 10 TB of data in one shot, if it's failure, means you have to do it again. If you will make it a small packets or in small bunches, you can process it in the small buckets as well. Okay, so that type of requirement can be fulfilled with the help of SQS service. This service has been launched in 2004. Okay, after 2006, the service came EC2. What is EC2?
Elastic Cloud Compute.
Elastic
Virtual
Cloud
machine.
Compute. Okay.
Virtual
VM,
machine.
right? Virtual machine, right? And this is the most popular service available in AWS. Now, EC2. What do you mean by what is the full form of EC2? Elastic
Cloud compute.
COMPUT Compute Cloud. Okay.
Compute Cloud. Okay.
Compute Cloud. Okay. Elastic. What do you mean by elastic?
The increase, decrease, elasticity.
Increase or decrease. Okay, guys, wherever in AWS you will see the keyword E. Okay, understand that it means elastic. Okay, elastic means increase or decrease. Okay, increase or decrease. Now the question is, what is increase or decrease? What?
So like memory, hard disk,
Correct. Compute. Okay, what do you mean by compute?
CPU, memory, or hard
Correct.
disk.
CPU, memory, hard disk. If I will open my machine, storage. If I will open my machine, these all are compute categories: CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, and TPU, GPU. These all are my compute category. Okay, so this compute can be increased or decreased over the cloud. This is called EC2. Make sense? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
And this service, this is the most popular service used in every company. Can you guess it? How many percentage this service is getting? If you are using the AWS cloud, let's assume your company, whatever is the company ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you are using the AWS, how much chances that you will use the EC2 service? Percentage? 50,
100%.
100%.
No, yeah, 100% is not. Okay. Let it go for 95%. Okay. 100% no, but yeah, 95% chances that you will use this service for sure. Okay, if you are into the AWS. Cool. Now, in the 2009, another service came. The name is VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. What do you mean by VPC? Go ahead. Guys, overall discussion we will do, and then from tomorrow onwards, we will deep dive into one services. Okay, go ahead. What is VPC?
It
Virtual
is
machine.
to create a
Virtual
virtual
network.
space for our services.
Okay,
That
I
we
can
use
say that it's a private space in the cloud, correct?
Yeah, a networking service.
Networking service, very good answer. Okay, networking service. Okay, yes, you can define your private network into the cloud with the help of VPC. Very good answer. Now, what is the use? Why this service has been created? I need a very good answer, guys. Please, everyone, speak up.
Security purpose.
Very good. Yes, security purpose. But what is the reason?
They're isolating.
But to provide a dedicated network, isolated environment to my machine, to my
Okay.
environment.
I accept it. Yes, good answer. But what is the reason? Why? Your answer is correct. Okay, every answer is correct. But you know, when this EC2 service came into the picture, AWS was telling you can create your machine into the cloud. People are worried that is this secure or not? People are very much worried. So many people are raising the question that cloud is secure or not. Okay, so In 2009, AWS has came up that he is telling that you can create your own network, you can create your isolated network, you can create a private network, and then keep this EC2 machine into your network only, so that it will be very, very secure. But my point, yes or no?
Yes.
And
Yes.
AWS has took 3 years to give this answer. Okay, I given this answer in 3 minutes, but AWS took 3 years to launch this service and given this answer to the public. When this service has been launched, people are very much worried about the security. Okay, so many questions has been raised, but after that, AWS has come up with the solution. Cool, agree? Everyone agree, right? Guys, able to understand? Clear? Just write clear into the chat box.
Yes.
Everyone just write clear into the chat box. Gautam is telling clear. What about others? Nagraju, Nihari, okay, Shubh. What about others? Everyone, right? Good. Thank you. Sure. Now in 2012, okay, the first customer event happened. Means when the something has been developed, you are confident, okay, that you have to launch in front of the people. Then in 2012, the first customer event happened. Okay, he explained that this all services we have created and so many things. Okay, and in 2006, the 10 billion revenue has been launched. Some customer has been onboarded, and in 2006, the 10 billion revenue has been launched. Means the profit happened in 2016. That time, everyone was moving into the AWS side. Agree? Everyone was moving into the AWS. I was also the one of the person who moved into the AWS around this time only. And everyone, it's a hit. Okay, people are just moving in this side because lot of jobs, lot of openings, lot of high salaries are coming in this duration. Agree? Yes or no? Yes, no?
Yes.
Cool. And then in 2017, in 2017, in this duration, their developer has reached the 100 services. In 2017, 100 services has been created till that time. Okay. And in the 2024, around 200 plus services are available at this point. Okay. Now, why this many services has been created? How come he is getting the idea of 100 services, 200 services, or this all services is getting created? From where he is getting the idea? Go ahead.
So it depends upon the feedback from the existing customers.
Okay. Others? Guys, others speak, please. How come he is getting the idea that this many services has to be get created? Not only
Depending on the
customer.
traditional usage.
Madhu, speak up. Madhu, speak up. Your answer is correct. Yes, speak up.
Yeah. So what are the present situation in the not on the virtual environment, on the hypervisors? What they're doing is that
Physical
they're
environment
finding
or
physical
traditional
environment.
environment. Okay, that service are getting replaced with the cloud services. Correct? Guys, nothing new. AWS is not developing anything new. Okay, whatever is traditionally available, he is migrating into the cloud service with the good name, with the good software, or we can say good software technology. He is migrating the same thing. 5 years, 10 years back, the RDMS, NS, SN, DS, our people are using it. On-premises rooms are getting created in every office 5 years, 10 years back. Are you agree? Before COVID, guys, every company has a small server room available. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Right? Before COVID, every company has a small server room. Now that all server room has been vanished, it is replaced by the AMIs and EC2s. Everyone is keeping their data, okay, into the RDMS, NS, SAS, DS, this type of hard devices are there, okay, where storage of database are getting created. Now this has been replaced by the cloud service like EBS, EFS, S3, RDS. Okay, same way in our house at this point, if you have an internet connection, there is a router. Guys, are you agree? There are some pipes, there are routers, switches are available. That's why the internet is coming in our house. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Wi-Fi, right? There may be chances this can be replaced, okay, with the satellite in future, right? The same way in the AWS, some networking related thing has been replaced by ELB and VPC. So VPC is our networking isolated network. All the things, all things earlier, it was a traditional, like this pipe routers was coming. Now everything as a service available into the VPC. Getting my point? What I'm trying to explain to you?
yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, same way earlier when we created this type of rooms, the small server rooms, some firewalls, ACLs, administrator, one security guard was sitting, lock we have to put it like that. We are making some infrastructure security related things are there. Same thing we are doing in the AWS also, like IAM service. If you want to go to the AWS, you have to pass with the IAM service. You have to create an NSCL. You have to create a security group. Same thing, guys. Nothing new. Whatever we are using 10 years back, same thing we are using into the AWS with a better name, with the software, not the hardware. We don't have to deal with the hardware. We have to deal the same thing with the help of software. That's why the services are getting created more and more. Right now, whatever you feel that this is a hardware or traditional things are available, there may be chances it can become a software service into the AWS, GCP or Azure as well. Agree? Everyone agree with my point? Yes. No.
Yes.
Okay, this is the reason why the services are getting increased into the AWS. Okay, and guys, whatever these things are available, I'm going to cover everything. Okay, in this syllabus, everything is mentioned that tomorrow we will focus on EC2, day after tomorrow I will focus on IAM. After that, we will do the EC2, we will log in Windows server, we will create Apache Nginx server, a load balancer, and we will go into the order. And I will cover up all these things, whatever is showing here. Okay, means I will cover up in all the categories. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, now I'm taking the bigger picture. Okay, this is a traditional versus AWS. Now I'm talking only for the AWS. Okay, there is a global infrastructure. Anyone able to understand this English? Global infrastructure. What do you mean by global infrastructure?
That's whatever the data centers they have.
Correct. Globally, data centers. Okay. Where are the global data centers are available in AWS? Simple answer, guys. Here is the link. You can click here. These are the different data centers are available into the AWS. Whatever is coming into the white color, it is accessible to you. Whatever is into the blood, okay, or it is not allow you to click, it is available, but you are not authorized to go into these data centers. Okay, there can be so many reasons. Reason can be either you are not authorized, or they have blocked you, or they don't have resources available so that new person can go inside it. Okay, so these are the data center available into the AWS. I will give the count and everything. No need to worry. Okay, but this is the global infrastructure available all over the world. Networking, over that networking will come. In the networking, yes, some VPC related things will come. After that, compute, storage, and database category will come. Means in the first you have to create your network. First you have to decide which data center you want to use. After that you have to decide that where, means which type of network you want to use. After that you will use compute, storage or database services, because now the application related thing means application going to be used. So this type of services you have to use in the compute. This all services are coming into the compute. Means compute means CPU memory is getting used. Means these are the services available in AWS where CPU memories are getting used. Okay, storage. Yes, what do you mean by storage? English meaning? Fresher. Any fresher able to give the answer? What do you mean by storage? Answer.
Store the data.
Store the data. Correct. Simple. Where we will store the data. Okay. And what do you mean by database? These are the two different things, guys. Okay. Storage is different. Database is different. What is database? Guys, answer. You all are engineers.
Yeah,
Answer.
where database we can store the data in a structured format and
Very
we can
good.
query.
The data in the structure format, relational format, okay, tables, rows and columns are available. That is called database. Guys, everyone agree? The
Yes,
data which is available in the
Yes.
structure, relational form, where you can run the queries and fetch the data, manipulate the data, update the data, that is called databases. Okay, these are the databases services available into the AWS. Cool. Storage. Can anyone give me the example for storage?
S3.
In Amazon S3, S3
Correct.
bucket,
S3. But which type of data we will put into the S3?
block type.
Block type, files.
Blocks.
Okay. Block files. Okay. Guys, whatever videos you are accessing from my application, right? You are accessing every day. You guys are watching the videos, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Do you think that from where these videos I am uploading, where I am uploading these videos? Where I am uploading?
From
Then
This
S3 bucket.
Yes, yes, this is available in S3. We are uploading the data into the S3 and you are accessing the S3 bucket only. Okay, the files, this S3 is a file storage, object storage. This is the object, right? And we are uploading there and you are able to see from the LMS system. Clear?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this is, and some application related service are available, like you created the application, you want to process into the slow format, queues format, or you want to send a notification. Guys, do you know you guys are getting the notification also, video uploaded, PPT uploaded? Are you getting this type of notification, pop-up kind of thing?
Yes, sir.
No.
You guys are getting, yeah. Komal is telling why. Guys, if you enable, you have to enable it that you need a notification from the Cloud DevOps app. You will get the notification also. Video uploaded, PPT uploaded, able to view, video processed. You will get, okay, from where these notifications are coming. SNS service, we are using the SNS service. Okay, chalo, I will set up a mock interviews. Okay, I will set up a mock interviews and you will get an email also. Okay, that we have a mock interview today or tomorrow in the next 6 hours, 8 hours. Okay, I will set up that, and that service we are using is SNS service. SNS, what is the full form of SNS?
Simple notifications.
Notification means I am sending the notification. Right now, I am sending the notification manually into the WhatsApp, right? This is also a notification. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is
Yes.
also a manual notification which I am sending on the WhatsApp, right? If
Yes.
it's come with the email, if it's come with the pop-up or something, that can be used with some external service, and we can use the SNS service to send the notification also. Okay, I will set up it today, and tomorrow we will discuss that. Did you get any notification? Then you can let me know. Okay, so this type of applications also we can, ready-made applications also we can use it to do the activity. Okay, cool. Some deployment activity. What do you mean by deployment? What do you mean by deployment? Or if from one place to another, right? Move the data from one place to another, or move the application from dev environment to QA environment. That is called deployment activity. Correct? Yes or no? Administration activities, right? Who is the right person
Yes.
to go into that particular service? Sometimes you may not able to access the LMS system, right? So we can block you or the people, and there is a service like AWS IAM. He can restrict that you are not the authorized person, or you are the authorized person. You can go here, you cannot go here. Like that type of service is available into the AWS. That is called IAM service. As soon as you will join the company, your manager will provide you the IAM access based on your role. If you are joined as a DevOps engineer, you will get a full access for everything. If you will join as a L1 or L2 engineer, you will get only view access for some services. Right? If you become a developer and get the developer access, there may be chances you may get the edit access of the particular service. Are you agree? How this can be restricted? This can be restricted with the help of IAM service. Okay. Cool. We will do all the practicals. You don't have to worry. But guys, trust me, this is the maximum services can be used into one of the application. Do you feel that this many applications can be used in one application? This many services can be used in one application?
No.
Impossible.
No.
Okay, one from one category. Okay, one from one compute, one service from one compute, one service for storage, one service for database, one or two service for the application, one or two service for the deployment and administration activities. Means 5 to 6 services can be used, and the complete application will be up and running. Agree with my point? Just type agree. If you're not agree, unmute and speak up that I'm not
Yes,
agree with
agreed,
you.
sir, agreed. Now understood.
Correct. If you will use all
Agree,
the
sir.
service, if you will use all the services, the huge bill will come and your project will be shut down. Right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Right? So practically we cannot use. Theoretically we can use it, but practically we cannot use all these services. Okay. Good. And trust me, guys, I will take care of most of the services which are showing into this image. We will discuss. Okay. And most of the service, around 10 plus practicals, we will do from these services. Okay. And in the project, I will create around 40 AWS services. Okay. And trust me, if I will give you 40 days time also to remember the 40 names, you will not able to remember. Agree? But I will create a 40 AWS services in the day 51, the project day, from the AWS only. Cool. Now it's a repeated thing. Okay. I hope everyone is very clear about this part, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
High level of idea, you get it? Right? Thank you. Nice. And guys, I'm giving you all the whatever the important services are there, their names, I'm just mentioning it here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 services, 7, 8, 9. Just read as a one-line definition. Okay. If you will read it, it will be helpful. If you will not read, that is also not matter, because every day we are going to do the practicals. Okay. And this is one image I'm showing to you. Okay. In this image, this is the last 22 years of AWS history. Okay. The console has been launched in 2002. Okay. Console was not showing here. Console was launched in 2002. After that, in 2006, SQS and S3 service came in 2007. This services came 2008. This some services has been launched every year. This is the revolution over the year into the AWS. Make sense? I feel that you may not able to read everything, but yeah, you will get this PPT. You can zoom it and you can able to see it. Is that fine?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No need to remember. Okay. No need to remember. Okay. Just remember 5 to 10 services which are showing here. That's it. Okay. This is just a very high level overview about it. I will provide. If some people are feeling that because sir, I'm a 5 years experience, 10-year experience, 15-year experience, is this 15 services will help me out? Yes, this 15 services will help you out. But if you feel that you have a 5+ year genuine experience, then you have to follow this 4 books also, which I am giving to you. What are these 4 books? The very first book is a white paper book. Okay. Or these are the white papers. Okay. Provided by AWS itself. If you will open it, all the services related overview is available here. Okay. Just have a look. No need to remember. Just have a look. It will be very, very helpful for you. Okay. Another book I'm giving, the architecture designs. Okay. I will also create the architecture in front of you only. Okay. Means if you will see here, this type of architecture we will discuss in the upcoming classes. Okay. This type of architecture, because when your level will be up, when you are going to ask 40 lakhs, 60 lakhs package, people will ask this type of architecture. Okay. We created in GIF. In the real time, it will not like this, but the boxes will be like this. This type of dots will not run. Rest everything will be very similar. Agree? Yes or no? Right. So we will create this type of architectures also in the upcoming classes. Okay. So I'm giving this architecture level book also. If you have a 5+ year of experience, you can have a read into this.
After that's what we need, sir. 65 lakhs package.
Huh? What you need?
That's what we need, sir. 65 lakhs package.
That you will get it. Okay. Prepare it first. Be up to eligible up to that. Okay. And you may get it. Not a big deal. Okay. If you want, still the remote opportunity for 3 years experience is not yet filled. Okay. Still 85 lakh package in India, they are ready to give for the 3-year experience person. If you are interested, let me know. At the end of the today's session only, I will redirect to you there. Okay. That is possible. And after that, best practice you have to follow. If you have a high experience, are you agree that we have to follow some best practice? It's not like that suddenly we use some service, suddenly we use some service, right? We have to, there may be a reason to use the particular service. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? So I will follow all the best practices. Okay. Whatever the best practice has to be followed in my upcoming all the sessions, I will follow the best practices. Okay. And here there is a book which is of 50 pages. It has been mentioned whatever the best practice we have to follow. Okay. And I will follow all the best practices. Okay. Anyone who has a 8 to 10 years of experience into the IT or 5+ experience into the IT, raise your hand. Raise your hand. One person, Nagraj. What about others? Akatu, 2. What about others? Sagar, 3. Okay. What about others? Only 3 person. Ayush, Prashant. Okay, cool. Okay. We have 5-6 person who has a 5+ experience. Guys, have you ever get an opportunity to work into the DR activity?
Disaster recovery, very important.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about this keyword?
Yeah,
coming
yes.
weekend
Yeah,
I do have
yes.
DR
Yes. If you have the DR activity, what you are doing it? What is the use of DR? Just give one line answer.
And actually, we are just shut down this one side
To
of
bring
the
the machine
applications
online earlier.
and up that particular application on the other side.
Correct, correct. Guys, if you mention 5+ year experience, 7+ year experience, the DR related question may be asked. Okay. So yes, for the experienced person, I'm giving one book, okay, which is a disaster recovery book. You can have a look, okay, not immediately. Okay, you don't have to read everything. 26 pages, you can read in 2-3 pages, 2-3 days only. Okay, these are the theory book. If you are an experienced person, you have to follow this also. Okay, so that your experience will become in a very good shape. Okay, and I will follow all these things in the upcoming classes so that you will get a very good approach ideas about it. Okay, if you have an experienced person, then you have to follow this. If you don't have much experience, no need to worry. Siddharth is selling 3 years experience, no need to worry for all these things. Okay, whatever this is mentioned here, this is more than enough for 10 years experience person also. Okay, cool.
One thing, Vikas,
Pooja.
like I don't have the 5+ year experience, but in Windows part also we have seen like DR activities
Good.
holding on
You can
weekends. Like
see, this is the book available for you. Just read it. That's it. Okay. So
yeah,
that
it's
part
not
will
related
be
to yeah,
that part will be covered. That's it. Okay.
yeah,
Means what I'm trying
okay,
to say that if you are an experienced person, you have to be aware about this part as well. Okay. This is what my
okay,
intention to say. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Cool. And then cool. Okay, then let's come into the global infra. Okay, very first point which I told, the very downline point is global infra. Okay, the global infra of AWS is very simple. Okay, if you will go into the infrastructure.aws.com, this is the global infrastructure of AWS. In the North America, whatever the points are coming as a green, these are the different data centers are available. The data center which is coming into the color is showing red, it is coming soon. Okay, so if you will go into this global infrastructure tab, you can have a look into different data centers are available into this place. Okay, I'm going back, sorry. Yeah, North America, Europe, Middle East, wherever the data centers are available, it is showing into this place. Okay, these are the global infra available. Out of that, there are 34 regions where the AWS data centers are available. Okay, 34 data centers means if you will open this, if you will count, yes, around 34 data centers where the AWS data center is available. Okay, 108 availability zone. What is the difference between regions and availability zone? Anyone here? Any idea?
In one
inside
more than
availability
one
zones
zones.
we have regions.
First region will come or first availability zone will come?
Availability zone.
Regions.
So okay,
Okay,
The
chalo,
regions would have the ACs, the availability zone.
okay, see, India is one region. Okay, in the India, there may be chances 2 places data center can be available. Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, anywhere. Okay, means regions will be country. Okay, inside the country, there will be a multiple availability zones available. Okay, let us assume this is US, right? In the US, multiple places are available, correct? So these are the different availability zones. Make sense? Got my point? Right?
Yeah.
And out of that, 600+ cloud fronts are available. POPS. Any idea? Cloud fronts? Any idea? No? No problem. Let me explain. Have you read about DMART? Everyone. Every city, DMART is available, correct?
yes, yes,
Outside your city, or if you are staying in the outside, DMART will be near to your house, correct? Agree? Are yes, no?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Every
Yes.
city. Okay. Now there is a DMART ready. DMART-READY. What do you mean by DMART ready? Have you heard about DMART ready?
Yes, yes.
What is that? Yes.
We can just order it from online app and then we can just go and pick up it.
Correct.
Otherwise, the delivery service is also available for first three
Correct.
deliveries.
Very good answer. Let's assume DMART. How many DMARTs will be available in one city? Max 1 or 2, right? Yes or no? Every city, or if it's a big city, 4-5 are there. Agree? Yes or no? But DMART ready, how many DMARTs ready? It's in every colony kind of thing, right? Let's take an example.
Yes.
Mid-level city. Any mid-level city? Any mid-level city? Bhopal. Okay. Okay. Bhopal has a 1 or 2 DMART Okay, and DMART ready can be 5 to 10. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? In every colony, there may be a small DMART ready. You can go there. The view item will be available. You can view and order it. And tomorrow they will bring from this big place to this place, and they will tell you, you can take it from this place. Right? So the intention is they cannot create a big data center. AWS also cannot create a big data center in every city. So they can come up with the CloudFront pop-ups kind of option is available. So that DMART ready kind of thing, you can have a look. You can get the feeling of your data center near to your city or near to your city. But ideally, it will deal with the main city only. Got the point? So this type of things are also coming
Yes.
into the picture. In India also, there may be chances more data center may come. Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad. In future, I'm not telling about right now. In future, more data center will come, but it's not a full-fledged data center. It's a ready kind of centers. Okay, means front kind of thing, means it's a front small shop will be there. You can go and check it, the resources and all these things. Okay, you can discuss with them as well. Okay, like that things will may be available into the future. Okay, because this concept has been started. Now, you can have a look into this. These are the different data centers, global infrastructure. Just read this. Where is this? No one is going to ask the question, but you have to be aware about it. In India, Mumbai and Hyderabad, 2 places are available. Okay, and rest we can't remember everything. Okay, now important point. Okay, very important point. Okay, this many data centers are available. Which data center I have to choose? Guys, can you raise your hand down? Can you raise your hand down, everyone? Why Mumbai? Why?
Because our customer base going to be in India.
Guys, my question. Guys, chalo. Everyone listen the question. I'm sitting into the India region. Okay, Bangalore. And which data center I have to choose? So many data centers are available. Which data center I have to choose? Everyone, write it. Write it. Write everyone answer. Everyone. Because your selection and rejection will happen from the very basic question only. Go ahead. Write it, everyone. No, I get only 4 answers. No. No. All answers are wrong till now. All answers are wrong. Wrong answers. No. Mm-hmm. 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 I get one person has given the correct answer in between. One person has already given the correct answer into the chat box. Can you speak up? Which one is the correct answer out of so many answers? So many people are telling nearby. Chalo. Everyone is staying. One second. Let me give the wrong answers first. Okay, let me cut the wrong answers first. Okay. Do you feel there are so many shops are available in your nearby, right? Whenever you want to purchase, you will always purchase from the nearby shop. Tell me.
Yes.
Everything nearby shop only.
No, you can't buy everything of
Availability of the items.
Let's assume this thing is available near to your shop, but sometimes we will not always purchase from the nearby shop. No. We will go somewhere where the
cost will
specialist
also affect the
cost. Okay, cost matters. Okay, so quality. If this is a nearby small shop, is there may be chances old quality may be available, right?
maybe
Yes or
brand
no?
also.
Brand, whatever we are looking, we are not always going to the nearby shop. No, we are going sometime far also. Okay, so nearby is not the very correct answer. Okay, good. Next question. Okay, no, same question. Which data center I have to choose and why? Chalo. Anyone want to speak up the answer? Because the correct answer is already into the chat box. I read it. Shubh has given the correct answer and Prashant has given the correct answer. Prashant, Shubh, can you unmute and speak up? Explain to everyone. What is that? What is latency? I will select only 2%. Rest all will be get rejected. Yes. Speak up. If you are not able to speak also, you will get rejected. No? Chalo. All will get rejected. Okay. If you are not able to speak up, you all will get rejected. Chalo. Now my turn. I will give the answer. Okay. Guys, every data center is providing the latency check. Okay. I'm going into this place, cloudping.com. Okay. These are all the data centers of AWS available. Yes or no? All the AWS data centers are available. Now what I'm doing it, I'm pinging. What is ping command? We have already discussed into the Linux class. What is ping?
It will try to connect to that machine and
Give some smart answer, yeah, Nagaraj. 14-year experience, yeah, smart answer I need. What does it ping means?
it just checks whether it is live or not.
Okay, so fine. It's live or not. It's check the connectivity. Okay, cool.
Just the data packets are transferring from one place to another.
Correct. Data package, how fast the data are getting transferred, right? Yes or no? So I'm just pinging to all the data centers. Whatever the data centers of AWS are available, I'm pinging from my current location, Bangalore. I ping to Virginia, Ohio, California, Oregano, Canada, everywhere. Okay. Out of that, Hyderabad and Mumbai are the super fast who is responding to me very quickly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Even Singapore is also okay for me. Okay. Okay, cool. This is one of the result. Okay. So let me refresh and let me check it one more time. The same result. Okay. And here also it is telling that yes, these two are good for me. Mumbai and Hyderabad are giving good response to me, as well as Singapore is giving the good response to me. Right. So let's assume I have to create in the real time. We have to create 3 environments, right? 3-4 environments we will create: dev environment, QA environment, and prod environment. Yes or no? Yes, no, right? So I'm choosing the 3 environment at this point from today onwards. Mumbai is the very fast, Mumbai is the very good option for me. So I'm making as a prod environment. Okay. Second environment, Hyderabad. Okay, I'm taking Hyderabad because he's on the second number. So second environment, Hyderabad. Okay. And dev environment, I can create as a Singapore, can be my dev environment as well. Make sense? Yes or no?
No, but this is what like if you are delivering the product, we'll be having this dev and QA environment. But where the customer uses, right, for them that site will be far, right? Then how is that going to?
Nagaraj, chalo, I'm giving you, let's assume you all are my customers. Agree? This is my website, Cloud DevOps of my website, right? Where it has been hosted, let's verify that. Okay. You all are my customers, yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
You all are my customers. Okay. So I'm giving you this link. Okay. Hit this link and let me know. I want to use the AWS cloud. Okay. And give this, I'm giving this link. Hit it and let me know which one is the giving the fast response to you. We will create our data center in that place. This is how in the real time has to be planned. Go ahead. Give me the answer. From where you are getting the fastest response? You all are my customer. I will create my data center into that place. Go ahead. Give me the answer. Answer.
Mumbai, Hyderabad,
Mumbai,
Singapore.
Mumbai, Hyderabad. Mumbai, Hyderabad. Because I am also sitting in India. You are also sitting in India. Correct? Right? Yep. Okay. So the answer is coming that this is giving the faster response. So we will create our data center into this place. Technical answer. Based on the latency, we have to choose our data center. If I assume my customers are from the US, so they will say that yes, Canada is responding fast to them. Then I have to create one data center into their region as well, so that they will not complain that my video or whatever it is loading slowly. Make sense, Nagaraj? Now you are agree?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So this is for AWS. Same thing for Google Cloud also. Okay. I'm giving you the Google Cloud. Same concept for the Google Cloud as well. Google Cloud has a lot of data centers. Okay. Based on the data centers, we have to choose it that which data center is responding faster. I'm selecting all the data centers. Okay. And I'm pinging to all the data centers. But in Google Cloud, you will see a big difference. Very complicated. All are very similar, right? Everyone is giving the very fastest response, right? Yes or no? 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? The good thing with the Google is it doesn't work with the latency. He's telling everywhere I'm the fastest for you, nearby to you. Okay, you can use the Asia East, Europe in the Google Cloud classes. Okay, I was not worried where I have to create it. Okay, I told wherever you want to create it. It will be very same. Yes, Google Cloud is very same all over the world. Okay, cool. Okay, Azure. Let's come to the Azure. Okay, you can go into the Azure, and for the Azure, yes, different data centers are coming. Okay, whatever is coming into the green color is the good response. Whatever is coming into the red, we don't have to go into this place. So many hits happen. Okay, multiple hits, but you can understand that something will be best. Okay, UK is also good. Okay, this is the dark green color is coming. He's complicating a lot of things. Okay, simple thing is getting complicated. Are you agree? Yes or no? Have you feel? Right? But the answer is whatever is the lowest value, we have to follow that, and it is the good response for us. In the what we can say Azure also, everything is near to 14, 15 only. We will never create our data center in the Australia. Okay. Rest everything is very clear, right? Yes or no? 16.
Still, Azure is very fast over AWS.
It's very fast as compared to AWS. Correct. Okay.
Yes.
But somewhere the latency, see, 2, 3, we are getting it from the Korea, Japan as well. But in Google Cloud, everything is very same, right? 2, 3, 2, 3 from all the data centers. Google Cloud has a very fastest response as compared to any other cloud provider. But yeah, Azure also is very good. Okay, into different. You can see you can create in Japan, Korea, all are same. Okay, there is no much difference. Where is India? Central India is not responding very well, but yes, Japan is responding better to me. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? So like that, yes, this means we have to choose the data center based on the latency, based on the customer is available. Wherever your customer is available, based on that, you have to choose the data center. Okay. So in AWS, we will decide it that yes, Singapore, we can create as a dev environment, QA as a Hyderabad, and prod is in Mumbai. Decided. Everyone agree? Yes or no? Because we have to start learning the practicals, right? We will follow the same way. Cool. If someone is sitting into the US, UK, you can choose the another one also. That is also fine. Okay. But choose based on the latency only.
No, why can't we choose all Mumbai only?
Let assume Mumbai is down. So your all the environment will be down. Your full customer and everything will be down. Right?
No, we are choosing for product. We only chose Mumbai, right? Still, so product will be down. Then dev and QA is up, but there is no use, right? In that case,
Nagaraj, see, silent. Okay, see the real time we have to decide it. Okay, you can choose anything. Mumbai also not a problem. Okay, not at all a problem. It's your choice. Okay, but we have to follow sometimes best practices also. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's not a problem. You can choose all the Mumbai also. You can choose the red one also. There is no problem. But different environment, different thing, so that your learning will get enhanced. I'm here to teach you, right?
Got your point.
If I will teach everything from Mumbai, someone like you will complain that because why you are not taking the Hyderabad or Singapore, right? That's why I'm comparing the wilder range, right? Cool. Thank you. So yes, in Azure, you can choose it as per your requirement. Google Cloud, you can choose, but in AWS, you can choose as per the what the latency is coming. Okay, cool. Guys, everyone cleared that which data center we have to choose and why?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes,
If someone will ask you why you are using this data center, you have the reason. Because of the latency, we are choosing that data center. Answer can be anything, can be the correct answer, but based on the whoever is the fastest response, you will create your data center accordingly. Clear, everyone? Just mention clear into the chat box. Just mention clear into the chat box, everyone. Everyone, Komal, Roni, okay, Subhash, okay, Gautam. Cool, thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. And yeah, these are the number of data centers and more. These are the AWS related launch regions, availability zone, wavelength zone. So many things are available. You don't have to worry. But yes, this is how we have to choose it. Now, if I will choose, it means we have decided the availability zone, right? Global availability zone, right? Infrastructure. Now the second part will come networking. we have to create a network, right? I decided I will create a house into my Mumbai. Okay, now I have to purchase a plot. Agree? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm
Yes.
going into the networking area and I'm creating my house into the Mumbai region. Okay, chalo, let's go here. I'm coming into the Mumbai. Yes. Now I'm creating a networking, my own networking, so that I can create all this application into my own network, my own plot, and I will build my empire over that. So for that, I have to create a VPC. Yes, can anyone speak up for 1 minute? What is VPC? What does it mean? High level answer. Very high level answer about VPC.
VPC is a service provided by AWS for creating an infrastructure inside that so that it can be reached safely and securely by the developers as well as by the customers.
Okay, okay. Any other answer? Okay, acceptable answer. Any other answer? As you are missing some points, there are some keywords which are very important. Go ahead.
Networking one.
Networking, correct. Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Guys, try. If you will give the wrong answer here, there is no problem. Okay. But if you will give the wrong answer into the interview, you will get rejected. Answer.
It's a private cloud which is isolated.
Very good. Private network, isolated network. Okay. Now I'm creating a private network or isolated network into the Mumbai region. I'm going into my AWS. Okay. This is my Mumbai region. I would like to create an isolated network, VPC. Why I'm supporting this girl? Okay. Because he used the same word which AWS is telling. Correct?
Yep.
Yes or no?
Yep.
Right. So sometimes we have to follow the same keyword, which is the official keyword. That's it. So if she will say some wrong keywords also, na, the isolated she use means what will happen? It's become the correct answer. Okay. Yes, it's an isolated network. In the VPC, guys, we have to aware about minimum this part. Okay. Whatever the service you want to search it, you can search here, and the primary top features will be available here. Whatever the service you are going to learn, this top services has to be aware about it. Okay. VPC, I'm going inside the VPC, and at this point, in my Mumbai data center, how many private clouds are available? I have 4 private clouds are already available at this point. Who was giving the answer? Which girl was giving some answer, right? What is your name?
Rutul.
Rutal. RUTL. Okay. I'm creating a Rutal VPC at this point in the Mumbai region. Okay. I'm creating only VPC. Okay. I'm creating only VPC Rutal at this point. Okay. Rutal, how much big VPC you want to create or how much big house you want to create? Tell me. Because you are creating something, so how big it should be? Means how many servers you want to create. Chalo, tell me the number, how many servers you will create. Let's assume you are sitting into the big company and this many numbers of servers you will create. 5, 10, 100,000.
200 IPs.
200 IPs. Okay. 200 is a very small number. Okay. For a company. Guys, I need an answer from the real-time answer. Let's assume you are sitting.
16.
Wait, okay. Ashwini, you are my student. Yeah, silent. Right, Ashwini, you are my student, right? If you learn with me, be silent. Okay. Please. Now, I would like to say that assume you are sitting into the one of the big company ABC. Okay. In this company, hundreds of thousands of servers are available. What will be the real-time size of this VPC? Real-time size. Real-time size of the VPC. Chalo, ignore VPC. Who is creating the house here? Anyone who is creating the house? Your own house?
Contractor.
Ashwini, you are creating your house?
Parent.
I'm not able to understand. Guys, anyone here who is purchasing the house or plot, something like that?
Yes.
Who is Sagar, right?
yeah.
Sagar, you are purchasing the house, right? So first you have to purchase a plot. How much size
Correct.
plot you have purchased?
It is around 1200 square feet.
Correct. Very good. Standard size, right? For the
Standard
small,
size.
for the good family, standard size, right? So if it's a standard company ABC, how much will be the size of this? Because see, first you are purchasing something, so you have to decide the area, right? Based on your budget, based on your members in the family. I can guess it Sagar has a 5 members, right? 5, 6 members in this family, correct?
Yes, correct.
Right? So that's why you are choosing 1200 square feet, right? So if let's assume you have 100,000 members are there in the 1,000 servers are there, how much size you will choose it, or what will be the standard size for the company. It should be /16. Okay, if you don't know, no need to worry, I will teach you all these things. This is called CIDR. Okay, take as a homework, understand what is CIDR. Okay, this is the networking concept. Okay, I will teach you in a deeply, but you don't have to worry. But at this point, /16 I am taking. In the /16, how much will be the total size will come? Any idea? 64,000 resources or IPs will be get created. Technical terms, guys. Okay. Sagar has a Sagar, SAGR. Sagar is a 1200 square feet. In the real time, we are taking the 64 IPs into the cloud. Okay, cool. Now I'm just providing the IP 10.0.0./16. I just put the /16. Okay. This is just an area. It can be anything, whatever you want. Okay, but in the real time, we have to choose the /16. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Makes sense.
Right? It can be anything. Sagar can purchase 1200, Sagar can purchase 1800, 2400, anything, right? It is just a number. Okay, but in the real time, we have to choose /16. Okay, good. And as soon as I will click on the create VPC, what will happen? The router VPC will be get created with the size. Okay. As soon as I click here, yes, VPC has been created, your VPC, and in this VPC, one router VPC is created. You guys getting my point? This is how the isolated network has to be get created. Simplest answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree?
Yes.
Okay. But do you feel that if you will give this answer into the interview and he will give a job? What all components inside the VPC? Can you able to speak up?
So like IP addresses, subnet, internet gateway.
Subnet.
Correct. Subnet, route table, internet gateway, ingress only, elastic IP, endpoint, this all things you have to understand. Okay. Then only you will able to crack the interview. Okay. Chalo. Rutal has created a simple house. Okay. Simple house. Rutal has created a simple house. Now someone has a plan who has a good budget and he want a fully furnished house. Anyone here who has a good budget, 2 crore, 3 crore, or 1 crore at least, fully furnished house. Tell me your name. Anyone? Anyone your name?
Ankit, sir.
Ankit. Okay. Guys, Ankit has a plan. Okay. To take a fully furnished house, everything ready-made available. Okay. So what I'm doing, Rutal has went into the VPC only. Now Ankit is going into the VPC and more option. Ankit, VPC will be get created, subnets will be get created, route tables will be get created, networking will be get created. Means a lot of things will be automatically get created when he will choose this option. Means this is kind of fully furnished option available ready-made. You just have to go here, provide the name, automatically this thing came /16, 65,536 IPs can be stay into the Ankit house. Got my point? Yes or no? Guys, I'm not able to get your interest. You guys are able to understand, right?
100%, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
everyone, right?
Yes.
Good. So here, see, what is the difference between Rutal and Ankit? Ankit has a good budget. Ankit is trying to create a fully furnished house, 3 BHK, all the light, fan, electronic item, everything should be available there. Okay. So yes, he haven't provided anything. He provided this option and automatically this option will be selected. Now he need Ankit, how many BHK you need? 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK? Tell me. 3. Okay. So as soon as you will click on 3, yes, 3 different subnets will be get created. Okay. We will discuss deeply into that, but yeah, this is the option. How many public halls you want to create? Okay. You don't want to create a public hall, then 0. Okay. If you want to create this is the option. So like that, you can customize your thing. And as soon as you will click on the create VPC, your fully furnished one VPC will be get created with subnets, route table, or so many different components are there, which we will discuss deeply into upcoming classes. Guys, getting my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This all things we have
yes.
to discuss. Okay. If you will discuss this all thing, you know about this whole thing, then only you can write the VPC in your resume. Okay. If you write complete AWS in your resume, that's okay. But that's not correct. Okay. We have to be aware about the things. Okay, cool. Chalo, nice. And
Can you please go back to the console?
Ankit, your voice is very low from very far you are talking. Use that one.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Now it's good. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, apologies, sir. So I
Mhm.
have a question here. When we under VPC settings, we have two options: VPC only and VPC and more.
Chalo, wait. Okay. VPC only means you will customize everything as per your requirement. Okay. VPC
Okay.
only. Rutal, RUTL, need a house. Okay. Unfurnished house. Okay. And Ankit, fully furnished house. Got my point? Both is a house, right? Both are taking the house of the same size. Okay. Rutal is also telling I have a 65,000 members. Okay. You are also telling the same size. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Right? But this is fully furnished. All the appliances, everything will come here. But this one, Rutal will not get. Rutal will get empty house. She has to create everything by own.
Okay, so that's what my question is. So when we have two options, VPC and VPC only. In VPC only, we are getting everything. Then what is the
VPC, no. See, VPC only, we are not getting everything. VPC only, we are just getting an empty house, only walls.
Then sir, what is the use? When in VPC and more, we are getting everything.
Correct.
Then what is the use of VPC only?
Budget.
Okay.
Rutal has a budget of 50 lakhs. Okay. You have a
Okay.
budget of 2 crore.
So basically, does that mean when we use VPC and more, the charges will increase?
Obviously, right? It's a normal house. It's an empty house. You are taking the fully furnished house. Everything developed by the AWS itself to you.
Okay, got it. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Right? Yes, this is the difference. In everywhere, the budgets will come into the picture. You can see here, Rutal will customize as per his requirement. Okay. Right? You cannot customize so many things, right? You can customize up to some limit only. This is builder house, right? Builder has created and give it to you. But Rutal has taken the house. He will create this, the furniture I will create here. I don't need this TV. I need this TV. And whatever you are getting, you have to use that only. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the difference. Okay. So this type of options are available. Okay. And if you will choose this option, what you will get? You will get this type of thing. Okay. Everything ready-made. You can directly, your customer or internet will come and everything will be moved. Network will be moved from one place to another. Okay. And we will discuss everything one by one in upcoming classes. Make sense? Cool?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. With you.
Thank you. Nice. AWS has some pricing models as well. Pay as you go, whatever you are using. Means let's assume I'm creating a Rutal VPC as per my requirement. I have to pay accordingly. If I'm using the what we can say another VPC, Ankit VPC, okay, fully furnished, I have to pay accordingly. Okay, everything is pay as you go model. Okay, no upfront. You don't have to pay anything in the starting. Okay, whatever you will use accordingly, we have to pay. Okay, when you will reserve, let us assume guys don't feel that I created the machine. Okay, chalo, I have a question for you guys. Okay, this is one of the interview question. You created the EC2 machine. Okay,
sir.
Not only Ankit. Ankit, no, be silent. Others. Okay, others. Ankit silent. Okay. I have created the EC2 machine. You have created the EC2 machine. Okay, and you make it shut down. Is this chargeable or not chargeable? Give me the answer, true or false. CHAR, GABL, chargeable.
Sir.
Chargeable.
Chargeable.
Or
It will
no?
be chargeable.
It will be chargeable, right? Everyone agree? It will be chargeable?
Because resources are still occupied with VM.
Correct. You have reserved the resources. Okay. AWS doesn't matter that you are staying, you are using or not using. You have taken it, it will be chargeable. Correct? Yes or no? Same way, if you take a rented house, RENTED rented house, you will stay or not stay, you have to pay the rent. Are you agree? Yes or
Good
no?
example. Good example.
Right? Simple, guys. It's a very straightforward. Nothing is free. Okay. If you reserve it, you are taking the rented house, you reserved it, you are shutting down, you are whatever you will make it. Okay. It will be always chargeable. Okay. Yes. So don't feel like that ki, sir, I should shut down. It will be chargeable or not. Yes, it is chargeable. Okay. Because you reserve the resources. Okay. For all the services. Pay less using more. Let us assume if you are using one machine, one EC2 machine, there may be some charges. Okay. If you will use 100 machines, there may be less charges. If you will thousands machine, it will be more less charges. Okay, like that. Yes, this type of option is also available into the AWS. Okay, pay per use. Yes, whatever you are using, you have to pay accordingly, and pay less when AWS grow. Let's assume for one EC2 machine, $1 is the charges at this point. Okay, $1 is the charges. But let's assume AWS has grown very well, so there may be chances for one machine, $0.5 will be the charges in future. Make sense? Yes or no? Got it? So
Yes.
this type
Yeah.
of logics are available into the AWS. Sometime interviewer may discuss this all things as well. Okay, so we have to be aware of it. Okay, and AWS has a 5 pillars. Okay, theoretical question, no one will ask. In the Amazon, if you will go and give the interview into the Amazon, this type of question may be discussed. Okay, and AWS is secure. You definitely have to say it's very, very secure. Okay, very, very reliable. It's a real time. It's a very reliable, performance-wise very good. AWS has get the operational certificates as well for the betterment, and cost you can decide everything, whatever you are using it. There is a AWS calculator as well. We have to decide the budget. Okay, let's assume you are starting one of the project, you will decide the budget. Yes or no? Yes or no, right? The same way, we have to start learning. We haven't started yet. We are just discussing the theory part. As soon as we will start the thing, we will create our budget. Okay, you can create your budget. You can think it, you will ready to spend 10 rupees or you are ready to spend 100 rupees. Only two options I will give it to you. Okay, so we will create a budget, and accordingly we will learn everything of the AWS service in this budget only. Make sense? 90% things are free of cost, but we have to pay little bit. It's your choice. You are ready to pay 10 rupees or 100 rupees. Okay, max can be 100 rupees. We have to pay to the AWS, and we will learn lot of things. We will use the 40 AWS services in 100 rupees. Cool? Yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, means 2 rupees or 2.5 rupees per service.
Oh.
Fine. You have the budget? Yes, no.
Yes.
Obviously, yes, yeah. Please. Okay. If you don't have 100 rupees budget, no need to worry. Go for 10 rupees budget also. It will work. Everything will work. Okay. Cool. And yes, this is for today. Okay. And this is on a very high level overview I've given on the AWS. From tomorrow onwards, what we will do. Okay. Where is the syllabus? I have taken care of the AWS overview, account creation. Okay. AWS history I have taken, features, global infrastructure, presence I have taken, very high level overview of AWS services. Console walkthrough I haven't given. Okay, chalo, let me give the console overview. Yeah, guys, this is the homepage, console.aws.amazon.com. This is the homepage URL of the AWS account. Okay, this is the homepage of the AWS services. Whatever the services are accessible, not accessible, it will be visible into this place. Okay, means this is the homepage. Whatever the recently services I'm using, it will be visible here. If you want to search any of the service, it will be visible here. Let us assume EC2 you are searching, it will be visible here. You have to aware about this name. This is very important. You have to remember this name. Plus, these are the top features you have to be aware about it. Okay, point number one. Second thing, you can search any of the service from here. You can search any of the service from here as well. Okay, categories wise, it is available here. If you will click on all services, just all services into the order from A to Z will be visible here. Whatever the service name start with E, E belong to elasticity, right? Increase or decrease. Okay, it can increase or decrease, and most of the services name are start with the E into the AWS cloud. Okay, cool, fine. Okay, and after that, yes, from here we can change the data center. Any of the notification will come, it will be visible into this place. Okay, and we can make some customization into this homepage also, like add wizards. Okay, there are so many wizards are available. I have added almost every wizard. Okay, you can customize, you can make it a small size, bigger size. Okay, or whatever the changes, you can make it little bit from here as well. Okay, I can put it, see, I can add this resources also. What I want from you guys, whatever the wizards are available for you, okay, put everything into the home page so that at least you will be aware about it. Whatever the latest news are coming, whatever the new blogs are coming, you can explore a little bit on AWS also. Everything, just add it here into the home page. It will look tough, waste, but yeah, it will be helpful for you. Okay, you can remove it after some couple of days, remove wizard, but add it so that you will become more familiar. Are you agree with my point? Right? because we are into the learning phase. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? As we are into the learning phase, add everything. After some time, we will remove it. Okay. So this is the overview of that. Out of that, you can go here. If you will choose any of the service, let's take an example, EC2. Okay. If you will come here, this is the home page for the EC2. Okay. Where what are the EC2s are running and all these things will be decided or visible here. This is just a high level overview of the console go through. Okay. Basic terminology, you understood the basic terminology of AWS. We haven't launched the EC2 machine. Chalo, we will do it into the tomorrow class. So I'm just making this part as a green in the today's session. Is that okay? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If you will allow me for the next 1 minute or 2 minutes, I can launch one EC2 machine in the today's class itself.
Yeah, let's complete that. Let's complete. Yes, sir.
Can I clear it? Can I do?
Yes, sir.
Guys, answer
Yeah,
everyone. Everyone.
Yeah.
2 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
We will not take much thing. Okay. We will just create on a very high level. Okay. With 2 to 3 clicks only. Chalo. Okay. I'm coming into the AWS homepage. Okay. You have the AWS access. If not, create an account, watch the video, create an account. Okay. Or today also we will create an account. Okay. No worries. Okay. I'm coming here. You have to just search the EC2 machine. You have to go to the homepage. Okay. And in the homepage, the search bar will come EC2. Okay. I'm just going into this place. As soon as I will click here, EC2 homepage will be visible in front of me. At this point, none of the instance is running into the Mumbai region. I'm creating one of the instance in the Mumbai region in front of you. At this point, no machine is running. Agree? Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to create a EC2 machine in front of you. Guys, you will feel very similar to the GCP. Okay. Launch instance, as soon as you will click on the launch instance, one template has been opened in front of you, right? Tell me any one of your name, please. Anyone?
Kiran.
Kiran, Kiran. I provided the name Kiran. Rest everything I'm taking as a default. Okay. I'm not touching any configuration. I'm taking all the default configuration. Okay. Key pair, I'm telling without key pair, I'm using it. Second click I did without key pair, I'm creating a machine. Okay. And I'm coming down. I'm just allowing the traffic. Third click, I'm allowing the traffic. Okay. And that's it. And I'm getting a launch instance option. As soon as the fourth click, I will click here, launch instance, my machine will be get created. With the help of this 4 click, my machine has been created. Can anyone quickly repeat what all these 4 clicks? Quickly, first click for the name. Launch instance, correct. Name, we have to provide the name. Then
OS details, key pair.
We have to choose the key pair. I'm choosing very simple option without key pair at this point. And
allow the traffic,
allow the internet. Okay. With the help of 4 click, my machine has been created. And yes, machine has been running with the name Kiran. Okay. Now, how to connect to this machine? In the GCP, how we are connecting? SSH. Do you think that type of option is also available here? What you say?
Yes, it should be.
Yeah, it is.
It is available. Okay. Then you have to select the machine. Okay. You have to select the machine and there is a connect option is coming. Connect is very similar to the SSH. Only minor difference, guys. Okay. And you can click on the connect. It is telling, do you want to connect to this machine with the help of this user? Connect option is coming. As soon as you will click on the connect, okay, you will be landed into the machine. That's it. Got it? You are landed into the machine. We have created the very simple EC2 machine. Is that okay? Digestible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Do you feel it's tough?
No.
Just few
No.
clicks.
No, just few clicks, guys. Okay. And from tomorrow onwards, we will explore. Okay. In the today's class, I just created a EC2 machine. Okay. Let me take the EC2 walkthrough also, little bit dashboard walkthrough. Okay. This is the EC2 machine has been created. It is showing here. Okay. If you will come here, dashboard. Okay. EC2 dashboard. Running machine. Why is showing 0? It should be 1. Let me refresh it.
Hello.
Wait. Okay. Yes, one machine I have created. So one machine is showing here. Okay. Auto scaling group 0, 0, 0. All these things are 0, 0. Key pairs around 29 key pairs I have. You have 0 only or 1 maybe. Okay. Load balancer, nothing. This is just a very high level overview on the EC2 dashboard. Okay, means in the dashboard, what will happen? Whatever the things are running into the Mumbai region in this place are visible to me. At this point, I have a 254 security group, snapshots are there, load balancers are there. So this all are things, whatever is available, it will be visible here. Second thing, AWS itself will give you this option status here. He's telling that all the services into the Mumbai region related to EC2 are working fine. You don't have to worry. If any of the problem will happen into the AWS, into the Mumbai region for EC2, it will visible into this place that this is the incident going on or this is the issue happening at this point. So this service may get affected. Like that, this type of option will be visible here. Same thing for AWS. In the AWS, in the Mumbai region, if any of the problem is happening, there may be chances here open issues and all this thing will be visible into this place itself. That this is the ongoing issue happening into the AWS for this particular region. So you may get affected because of this service. And very rarely we will able to see this type of options. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Getting familiar with the AWS in the just one day?
Yes.
Just little bit.
Everyone, right?
To check the
Everyone, right?
Hello.
Yeah, Subhash, go ahead.
How can we check a configuration
Which config? Which config?
like a memory storage?
We will learn it. Yeah. This is J0 of the AWS, correct? Right? I'm not teaching EC2 at this point, right? How to check it? You can go inside it. Okay. You can go inside and everything will be visible inside it. Okay. If you will go inside it, everything will be visible here. Okay. This is the public IP, private IP, T2 micro. This is the configuration. Whatever you are asking CPU memory, you can put T2 micro into the Google in AWS. Okay. And you will get to know T2 micro. It should be official website only. Okay. Yeah. Okay. T2 micro. This is the configuration of my current machine. Okay, 1 CPU, 0.1 GB, 1 GB RAM, and 6 hour means 6 CPU will be credited every hour, or this is the charges will happen like that.
Okay.
We'll discuss everything. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, how was the class? Able to understand?
Yes, the class was
Yes.
very energetic. I learned a few new things.
Obviously. Ankit, I need an answer from you. You are not learning from the last 10 days, new things?
Yes, sir. 100%. 100%.
Agree, right? Guys, how many people are agree that every day we are learning so many new things?
Lots of things every day we are learning.
Thanks, Sagar.
Yes.
Thanks, Sagar. And guys, you know, this answer is telling by experienced person. Sagar, you have an experience, right?
Yes.
Right. And if experienced person say this thing, I'm very happy. Okay. Because for fresher, so definitely a lot of things we are learning. But if 10-year, 15-year experienced person is telling this, it will be very, very good.
And I was looking to this like from past 1 year or 2 years, but even now after these classes, I was able to like recall. Okay, these are the things I am not remembering, and now I can refresh on these things.
Madhu, I will tell you, you all are students from my WhatsApp group only. Okay, nowhere else. Everyone, most of the students are from the referral only. Okay, because my batch has been created with the referral itself. Okay.
Okay.
None of the public person came into the picture. Most of the students are referred by some of your friends only, and my batch has been get created. And so many students are in connect from the very long time with me. Okay. And you know, even today also, yesterday I talked with the 2 person. He's from the 2 years he was in connected with me because sir, I really want to join your batch. I'm following you. I told then come to the batch. He's still there thinking. See, Subhash is also telling them me too.
Ayush,
Ayush also, yes, I know Ayush. Yes, Ayush, I think from last 2-3 batches you are planning, right?
yeah, correct.
And finally he registered. Cool. Thank you.
Same for me.
Correct, yeah, guys. A lot of students are like that only. I agree. Good. Chalo, guys, I'm stopping the recording. Okay, so that our recording will be very clean. Okay, and guys, whoever is not yet registered member at this point, I know most of the students are registered, but we allow as it's a day 1 of the session, so we allowed some students who are not yet registered. If you are not yet registered, please register or please enroll for the batch so that you will able to continue the things. Okay, don't feel that you will get everything over the YouTube. This video we will put on the YouTube, but not all the videos. Okay, so if you are interested, you can come here and there is a pricing available here, and with the help of price you can enroll for the course so that you can continue learn the things. You will able to access the LMS system and everything. And I'm stopping the recording.